Hi everyone. We're going to solve each equation here using logarithms. This is actually exponential, so I should just change this to exponential. But anyway, logarithms are exponents, so it doesn't matter. And I'm going to use two different methods. So the first method is just to use the formula. So if you just use the formula for this, all you do is bring down this 3x based off our formula here equals ln of 10. So it's in this format, and I just wrote it like that. And then you solve for x, so x would equal ln of 10 divided by 3. Now the other format, the other method I'm going to use is basically the way you're supposed to do it if you don't know the formula. So e to the 3x equals 10, so you just take natural log of both sides. Then you use your power property and bring this out front in its beginning. So you get 3x times ln of e equals ln of 10. Then you should know that ln of e equals 1. And then basically that cancels out, so we have our 3x equals ln of 10. And then so x equals ln of 10 over 3. This method is the reason why this formula works. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with the formula, just take ln of both sides and use your power property. And you definitely need to know that ln of e equals 1. You should also know that ln of 1 equals 0, because e to the 0 equals 1. All right, so that's it for that one. Thank you. Have a nice day. No, I have one more. Sorry, I always wonder why it goes so fast. Okay, so this one's the same way. If we use our formula, you're just going to bring this guy down. So you bring him down, so it's negative 2x equals, instead of e, we're going to write ln of 1/3. So that's going to be negative 2x equals ln of 3 to the negative 1. All right, let me change this out a little bit. So 3 to the negative 1. Then you can use your power property and bring this negative in front here. So you get negative 2x equals ln of, or negative ln of 3. And so when you solve for x, you're going to get x equals negative ln of 3 divided by negative 2. So the two negatives cancel, so your solution set is ln of 3 divided by 2. Now the other method is just to take ln of both sides. So this was an e. So you'd have ln of e to the negative 2x equals ln of 1/3. And this again is why the formula works. Bring that negative 2x in the front with your power property. Then ln of e just turns into 1. And then you proceed on again. So that's ln of 3 to the negative 1. And then we're right back to where we started. So your solution set would be ln of 3 divided by 2. Personally, I like this method better, but if you have this formula memorized, you're good to go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.